Nice, mate. Nice. Perfect. Minute non-stop tyre jumps. Nice. That's it. Just steps up, steps down for a minute, okay? That's it. Nice and light on those feet. Perfect, mate. Nice. So forwards and backwards, stance bounce. Sweet. That's it. Okay, side to side. Nice. Whoop. Nice. Keep going, mate. Keep going. Okay, forwards and backwards. Nice. Side to side. Forwards and backwards. Switch. Switch. Keep switching. That's it. Just keep switching. Just keep switching. Nice. Forwards and backwards. Nice. Nice. Switch. Okay, forwards and backwards. Nice. Side to side. Forwards and backwards. That's it. Just wait for the bell now. Wait for the bell. That's it. Nice, mate. The other sides always feel awkward. Always feel awkward. Nice. That's it. Keep going. Side to side. Okay. Forwards and backwards. Switch. That's it. Nice. Forwards and backwards. That's it. Side to side. That's it. And stop. Nice. So a minute of that side, minute of the other. Good. Very good, mate. Very good. Nice and consistent. I like it. I'm glad you brought the shoes today for fighting. So, I'm not a sponsor, but these are the official outdoor shoes for Kung Fu and martial arts. Feel free to sponsor us. That's it. Nice. That's it. I'm looking at that footwork, okay? Nice. Nice. That's good. That was good. Okay. Nice. That's good. That's good. Okay, just keep going. Nice. Okay, just want to see what that impact's like. Do the whole thing, and then the last one you're going to hit. Nice. Let's go again. Very good. Nice. And again. Give me again. Good. Nice. Okay, and again. Okay, without me. Keep going, keep going. I'm going to step in, I'm going to do the whole pad drill. Okay, I want you to hit me, but just don't hit me too hard, okay? That hit was good, but I don't feel getting hit like that today, okay? So, grab, cross, pull, go. That's it. Make sure you hit me, hit me. That's it. I want to feel where the contact is, okay? That's it, nice. Nice. Come on, hit me, hit me. Nice, that's it. That's it, good. I think you need a sparring session, mate, don't you, as well? That's it, nice. What's that footwork? Those first ones, hit them harder. Nice. Good. Nice. That's it. Keep that guard up. Nice. Watch that guard on that hook, okay? Watch that guard on that hook. Yeah, you can see it, couldn't you? You can see it. Bang, 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 bang. Watch that guard, okay? Give me 3 more, then we'll have a rest, okay? 3 more. But with good guard. That's better. Nice, that's 1. Nice, that's 2. Nice, that's 3. Take a rest. That was good. That was really good, mate. We've still got more time. Let's take a breather and we'll get back on it. Okay, so it's jab, back to the guard, cross, back to guard, hook, back to guard, duck under, power hook. Okay, let's go through. Nice. Do the contact. I want to know that you're close enough to do it. Okay. Be close to it. That's it, that's the one. Okay, keep going. Nice. Power and speed, build up to it, but don't lose that guard, okay? Nice. Nice. Okay, I'm going to change the angle on there. There we go. To impact, so guard nice and high. Okay, you're going to touch, but keep an eye on me as you touch. Impact, turn into it, bang. Okay, so again, touch, bang, touch, bang. Okay, you keep that guard. I know in real life you're not going to touch your toes when you're halfway through a fight, but the reason for it is someone does a slow jab, so do a slow jab with me. I get under, bang. Okay, I'll do the other one, go under, bang. Okay, I'm not going to touch it, so go again. Go under, bang. Go under, bang. So see, I don't drop my guard. I just get under that, and I go for it. Okay. If someone's rapid firing down the chamber, just because they got loads of energy and they're burning out, instead of blacking, parrying, moving away, and trying to play the circling game, sometimes chin down, grit your teeth, under, bang. Just get in there. Okay. Right, let's go for it. But I want you to touch outside of your feet. Alexa, 1 minute. Okay, opposites. Yeah. Nice. Nice. That was good. Nice. 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 Oh, I missed this, mate. You hit the pads proper, you do. You've not lost the power though, Aston. You've not lost the power at all, mate. Good. Good. Floor to impact. So the reason why I say floor is because you are definitely out the way of anything. Okay? If I was to be like, ah, bam, you get straight out of the way. So go for it. Yeah, so you're right out of the way, okay? So go for it. Right out of the way. That's the purpose of it. Nice. Keep going.